Hi guys, today we have how to make blue marker in a melon playground. Let's get started. First, create new. Then I'll click in here, the short bean. Then take the bacon, load it here, click the below it. Then put the sound with here. And I click it here. That's okay. That here. Not the things. Why cannot do no did? They click the Lord the tenement. Lords, and that's not second. They started. Check Lord it. The first science. Next, they click. That's not the clicking. Now, we just got background eraser. We just more background there, see. Next, let's select the product at 15 year. Then that's selecting that done. Then I click the post like near. Right there. Then it's done. Now it's a shore fish. Then I use the row and the water finish. Then we hit the next one. I click load it. Now let's click it there. Now get started. Then let's make it slum. Now that's made of fruit again. Now let's click on it. Then which the bird and the float. Click it on me. Then what we got watch it some weird. Like go look at that. Like going to be a BM. That's gonna leaving. It comes to and the pressure in the click it's the same. Then the back here size now look at collect size and resize. Can you sure? Okay, let's go with the endless ocean. Then put this on a melon. What is a B? So click that blue and click that maroon. Then so let's go to back in the mission. Then with the melon. Next with everything, which is PM. Wait a minute, or it 2 in a minute. Ads. Then also gonna be VM. What had to read that? This one is the smallest. That was a bigger, the smaller, but now making it bigger, smaller. Next to the save it, then that would have a BM. Next to the save. Now the clear everything. Now the endless ocean is done. The endless ocean, that's what it is this right. There's also endless ocean that was so quick. Now we collect, so let's go to NLP. Let's go to this way. Let's go to this way. Oh, look at that. It's only is an endless ocean. But it's not this thing. Then we know this like not 2 colors I can ink. Gravity got that thing. Save. Then declare them BM. Then I will save. Full exit here. Now we set 20 English Ocean. It's done. This one is English smallest thing. Anglerfish. Doing it we in 3, 2, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Let's go to bees. Oh, that looks like an anglerfish. Not so. It is anglerfish. What is that swinger? Oh my god! That's the screaming card. That's a tail. Why is it always screen off? That's a stranger. I'm just there. There's a dolphin out there. I think it's like a dolphin. And we got thanks watching. Subscribe. Do that the fish. That darks. Why do we it's only I would like and would subscribe for channel to pick it up and then light so I care. Lights there and it's string my hair. Now it's that green like subscribe for channel. Boo, this line is raining. Oh no, the phone is damaged. Down. Wow, that's much.